Concerns are growing about the spread of COVID-19 among U.S. service members on the Japanese island of Okinawa. At least 141 troops at Marine Corps bases are now infected with the virus there. The island's governor has now confirmed the first known case of the virus being transmitted by a service member to a local resident. Ramy Inocencio reports now from Okinawa.
The Ospreys still deploy from Okinawa, the U.S. military's keystone in the Pacific, even as the Marine Corps wages a public health battle against coronavirus. Lieutenant Commander Margaret Moore is a senior medical officer. How bad is it?
My assessment is that it's not as bad as it possibly could be because healthy people are getting better from this disease.
Colonel Neil Owens met us at the Joint COVID Response Cell, the nerve center of the military's coronavirus response.
There is no off-base liberty authorized.
To stop the spread, up to 40,000 Marines and their families have been placed on restricted movement orders.
If you live out in town, you go home and you come to work, and that's really the only interaction you have off the base.
A different situation from the 4th of July. This video posted to social media allegedly shows U.S. personnel partying. No masks, no social distancing. While restrictions were looser at the time, upset locals, including the governor, are now blaming the Marine Corps for Okinawa's COVID surge. Is there truth to that?
So as of right now, we have not found any connection between the July 4th celebrations and any positive case that we've identified.
The presence of U.S. troops in Okinawa remains a point of frustration for local residents. In 2016, protests flared after an ex-Marine was accused of raping and murdering a 20-year-old Japanese woman. He was later convicted and sentenced to life in prison.
We are so angry.
80-year-old peace activist Suzuo Takazato was born and raised here. She says that over the years, allegations against U.S. servicemen have also included drunk driving and sexual assault. What are you demanding of the U.S. military?
To evacuate every U.S. military from Okinawa, because we have been suffering 75 years already.
And the U.S. Marine Corps told CBS News two other things. One, that all of those service members who contracted coronavirus are only experiencing weak symptoms, and that the Corps remains operationally ready and ready to combat any threat here in Asia Pacific. Tony?
Ramy Inocencio in Okinawa for us. Ramy, thank you very much.